Hi guys, if you've been looking for a home near Makati, Manila, and the Bay Area, but also gives you a secure, quiet, and premium condo living, then this is a perfect match for you. Hi guys, so we are here today at the Camden Place by DMCI Homes right here in Taft alongside the Dominga Street. So here, let's go right here. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, dito sa may right side na kanto, dyan yung Vito Cruz. So nandyan din malapit yung Vito Cruz LRT station. So dito naman, sa left side ko naman na to, yan. Dyan naman, papunta ng Makati or Hilpuyat. So, if ever punta na kayo ng Makati CBD, pwede rin dito. So sobrang convenient siya, especially for students na kapag pupunta from one point to another. So, let's now enter the Camden. Yan, here, elevated siya na building. Tapos meron din siyang security gate. And meron din security personnel dyan. Ayan. So here guys, ayan, on my right side, this is the reception area manned by our reception personnel. So yan. So here, yan, makikita nyo yung high ceilings dito kay Camden Place. Tapos ano lang siya, modern artisanal theme. So very basic, pero nandun pa rin yung warm welcoming ni DMCI Homes and yung premium quality. And here, on my right side, yan, may bathroom din dyan. So dyan yung mga bathroom for the guests if ever. So makikita nyo rin, yan, yung very spacious area ng lobby. So here naman sa right side ko, ito yung entertainment room. So if ever you have guests coming, pwede nyo silang dalhin dito para hindi ma-bored. Yan. So here naman, this is the convenience store. Right now, hindi pa siya operational. Wala pa ata kumukuha. Pero opportunity din to sa mga property owners dito or some na gawing business. Ayan, makikita nyo yung tables and chairs. Tapos ito bali yung malaking open area natin or yung breezeway. So dito kasi kay Camden Place, hindi siya katulad ng ibang DMCI property na 60 to 40 or 70 to 30 open space. Tapos residential space. Dito, isang tower lang siya tapos residential na. So dito naman, tinitake advantage naman ng lobby yung open space. So kahit papaano, may breezeway ka pa rin. Here yan, makikita nyo yung plants and trees. Tapos, yan, large mirrors. Ayan, so kahit papaano, malaki pa rin yung space dito sa lobby area. Kahit full na siya, residential tower lang. So, here naman nakikita nyo yung maintenance naman, continuous pa rin. Isa sa advantage ni DMCI Homes, hindi niya pinapabayaan yung property na maluma. So yeah, and let's now go to the elevators. So here guys, dito naman tayo sa 6 high-speed elevator. So high-speed na siya. If you're going to another floor, within seconds lang siya. Ganun siya kabilis. So let's go naman to the laundry and water station. So dito rin siya located sa may lobby area. Sa ibang property sa may kasi siya, basement levels. So here ayan, for the conveniency ng mga dito, unit owners or residents. Ayan, may water station. Tapos here, makikita nyo rin yung laundry station. Ayan. So, ito po ma'am. guys, here nasa 7th floor tayo, which is where the fitness gym, coffee shop, co-working, and some restrooms are located. So, tingnan natin. Lakad tayo dito. Here we can also see a view of the TAF area. Ayan. So, i-mention ko rin pala, meron din silang dito, electric fence. So, alam ko sa baba, electric fence dito. I'm not sure kung electric pa siya. Pero yan, for safety purposes and security din. So, yan, may rin, plants and chairs. So, very, siya, cozy vibe dito. Ayan. And dahil din sa green spaces, siya, relaxing sa mata. Yan, tables and chairs ulit. Punta tayo dito. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung co-working space. And ito pala yung coffee area. Ayan. If ever, pwede siyang going to a coffee shop. So, let's go here. So, if you're working remotely or may hybrid setup kayo, pwede nyo itong gamitin para mas quiet yung place. And also, if you're a student, you can use this one. Pasok lang tayo saglit. So, here yan. Here is the co-working space. So, para siyang coffee shop yung design. Sobrang aesthetic. So, kahit nag-aaral ka or nagtatrabaho, medyo nakaka-relieve din ng stress kahit paano yung environment, di ba? So, that's for the co-working space natin. And, i-mention ko na rin, super okay dito yung location na to kasi malapit din siya sa mga universities. Mainly, yung pinakasikat dito, syempre yung LaSalle Main, tapos yung St. Benilde. So, if ever you have a family that's a student, tapos mag-aaral dyan sa LaSalle Main or St. Benilde, ito na yung piliin nyo. Sobrang convenient kasi accessible na siya. As lahat ng mga needs ng isang tao, malapit lang din siya. And also, dahil sa amenities, sobrang strategic. So, here naman, naglalakad tayo papunta sa fitness gym. Kasi ito, meron din siyang mga board games na yan. Kasi ito din, kung makikita nyo, this is the fitness gym. So here, let's take a quick view lang. So this is the fitness gym. Compared to commercial gyms sa labas, sobrang cheaper siya. Tapos kompleto na to kay Papa. So yan. Ito-target mo na rin yung full body mo. So if you're you're a healthy living person, active person, pwede mong gamitin to. Yan, may aircon na rin siya. Kasi ito, pakita ko lang saglit, meron ditong chess table. So bukod dito, ayan, ito rin, meron ka rin chess games. Ayan, so lahat yan nasa 7th level ng Camden. So, yeah. Ito naman tayo sa roof deck. So here guys, nasa loob naman tayo ng high-speed elevator. So siya, naka-keypad na siya. So kapag 10 pataas, kuwari 10, type mo lang 10, 0, enter. Ganun. So within seconds, nasa roof deck na tayo. So let's go and see the roof deck area. Here guys, nasa roof deck area naman tayo. And we're gonna check the amenities here. So yun, dito yung elevator area natin. So yan, may plants na rin and trees. Tapos here is the lounge pool. I mean lap pool. Sorry. So yan, makikita mo, sobrang laki niya. Tapos para na siyang infinity pool. Tapos if ever nagwo-worry kayo, meron din naman dyan Yan. May safety net naman. Yan. So, iwas na rin. Accidents. Yan. Safety measures. Tapos ito, meron na rin tayong wash area after mag-swimming. Ayan. Tapos meron din tayong female shower and male shower. Tapos here, yung view ng TAF area. Ayan. So, very, siya, accessible. Malapit lang siya sa key areas din. Ayan, tapos, ayan. Nakikita nyo na yung natin, swimming pool. Ayan, pwede ka dito mag-sunbathe kapag maaraw. Ngayon, hindi masyadong maaraw, pero yun. So, yan, may kita natin. The Bay area na to. So, this is, lahat na sa MOA. Ayan, kung makikita nyo yung dun. Dagat. So, yeah. And ikot na lang tayo. Tingnan natin yung the rest of the roof deck area. So, here naman guys, ito na yung Sky Lounge. Malapit lang din siya sa lap pool. So, yan, may tables and chairs, plants, and we have a view here of TAF also. At the same time, meron din siyang snack bar or pwedeng maging coffee shop. As kapag may mga events, katulad ng The Crestmont, pwede siyang maging open bar. Yeah. And that's for our roof deck area. Bale, pinaka-amenities dito is the Sky Lounge and the lap pool. And meron kang sobrang scenic view ng TAF area and the rest of the Manila. So here guys, tingnan natin yung very unique na one bedroom ni Camden. So dito makikita nyo kung ano yung magiging turnover unit sa inyo. Ganito yung look niya. Ito, kamukha na rin niya yung studio type. Ang natitirang unit na lang kasi dito is 1BR and studio type. So here we can see the system cabinets and provision for rain chute. Included na siya sa turnover unit. Tapos ito, meron na rin tayong countertop. Tapos system cabinets na rin dito sa baba. So here naman, tingnan natin yung toilet and bath. Here included na yung toilet bowl. Tapos ito, included na rin yung natin. Ayan, may mirror na rin. Tapos ito, may shower head na rin included and soap bar. Tapos here, may provision na rin for the washing machine. Kasi ito yung natin, living area. Yan. Tapos here naman, yung main bedroom. Meron na rin siyang provision for aircon. Then, meron na rin siya for the TV or Wi-Fi here. Tapos yan, ito yung main bedroom. Yan. So, ito paano, dahil wala siyang balcony, na siya, na-take advantage siya yung full living space. Yan. Tapos here guys, explain ko lang din. Bali, siya, si Camden, ordinary condominium lang siya. Meaning, wala siyang sky patio. So, para sa breezeway, ito siya. Kahit pa paano, may breezeway pa rin si Camden Place. So, presko pa rin. Yan. Compared to other condominiums, wala na silang ganyan yung breezeway area. Bali, closed space. Tapos here din, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi siya 60 to 40. So, almost living or residential space na lahat. So, konti lang yung open space. Pero kahit ganon, bukod sa may breezeway, madami tayong lights para hindi gloomy tingnan. So, that's the view for our residential unit. So that's it for our Camden property tour. If you're interested, contact me at my email, seronkennethbc@gmail.com, or at my number, 0968-374-2742. For the Camden, we have studio and 1BR unit available. So that's approximately 21 to 27 at 12% DP spread out in 36 months. Monthly, ayun yung monthly nga. 21 to 27,000. So, if you're interested, just contact me.